Fuck bitch, yeah. I'm gonna split up her legs like I got 88 bags full of rags. I'm no sad bitch, living life, fucking bitches, shooting snitches. Gonna fuck you up, bitch, huh? What? The spirits. Bitch, what are you trying to do? Like a fuck. This is hell. The crowd of cruel. Left my body motions, sad emotions. Left the abyss. She got the last bliss. She cold like a blizzard. No hot, no a lot. Bitch, don't talk to me. Don't know if you, don't know if you fuck, leave. Fuck. 888 bitches can't talk when she dare. Cause she scares me to death. She a haircut, she bitchy kitty, nasty snitch, don't care. There are no rhymes, just telling the truth. You're rude, fuck bitch, leave. Nah, bitch, yeah. I'm gonna split up her legs like I got 888 bags full of racks. I'm a sad bitch, living life, fucking bitches, shooting snitches. Gonna fuck you up, bitch, what are you trying to do? Let go, fuck. This is hell, the call of cruel. Lost my bad emotions, sad emotions. Left the abyss, she got her last bliss. She cold like a blizzard, no heart. Don't know if she a fuck. No, not a lot. She got fat tits, no tits. She look shit. She having problems with breathing. I don't care, let her die. Like she made me cry. Fuck this bitch, I don't call up 10 snitches. I just fought them. I just made them, I don't know, bitch. I don't care, my mind's fucked up. Life era 2, I don't know where I'm gonna make this up. I don't know, bitch. Living life, no sad. Being freestyle this shit. Look out for them spirits. They gon' catch you.